Hi, I am Dr. Sandeep Suri, working as a consultant physician diabetologist at Holy Health Hospital, Hisar, Haryana. Today I am going to tell you something about how to monitor blood pressure. We all know there is increasing prevalence incidence of hypertension, and along with hypertension there is increasing prevalence and incidence of diabetes, obesity, cardiovascular risks. So all things, every metabolic diseases is on the rise. Now, why we are worried about the monitoring of hypertension? Because it's a silent disease. Many times patient comes to us when he or she is not knowing that he has got hypertension, and we just find out that he or she is having target organ damage, already damaged. That means cardiovascular damage, or patient is having stroke, or patient is having CKD or renal involvement, patient is having diseases linked to his or her eyes, and these are the target organs which are involved once you have got high blood pressure. And we tell the patient that you have got these target organs involved, then the patient is just shocked that, doctor, I am not knowing that I have got this disease. Absolutely true. They are silent killer. They are silent diseases. They are snake which come under the carpet. So how to monitor them? Most of us, when patient comes to us in the OPD, in our routine in the hospital, we check the blood pressure. This is known as office reading. Office reading is always, we always term it that single reading is always faulty. Most of the time it comes up due to stress in the form of our OPD or hospital stress. We label it as a white coat hypertension. That is, in our office, most of our patients, they are having higher blood pressure in the first reading. Then we say that we are going to take average of 3 reading. Then we repeat the blood pressure reading after say 1 week, or sometime on the same day after relaxing the patient, after saying him to calm down, to sit alone, calm down himself. Then we again check it after 30 minutes. So, and sometime we take on the next reading, next week, next visit. So 1 or 2 or 3 readings are taken, and then the average of these reading we put it as a hypertension, whether it is fitting into hypertension range or not the single reading. So this is the white coat hypertension, which comes when you are having blood pressure high in your office, otherwise it is not there. Another is home reading, that is home monitoring of blood pressure. So once patient is diagnosed as hypertension, then it is good to have time of the day you can check your blood pressure and take the reading. But the problem with these home monitoring system is that they are not standardized. Many times you have got error. Sometimes the error can go very high, 20-30 millimeter of mercury variation can be there. It is always good to have a monitor, but bring your monitor in the hospital and get it counter checked with the hospital blood pressure monitor, so that you can easily say that now there is a standard variation of 10 or 5. So this can be very easy. Then your monitor can be used at home. Another very important thing that is coming up is ambulatory blood pressure monitoring. So this is ambulatory blood pressure monitoring. We apply a machine, and this keeps on recording your blood pressure non-invasively, and you are going to your home, and you remain in your home for 24 hours as your routine activity is there, and the machine is recording your routine blood pressure, regular blood pressure during the day, during the night hours, blood pressure is being recorded. So this is a very important advancement. It detects the nocturnal dipper, that means earliest change in the blood pressure profile of the person can be taken care. You can easily diagnose that was white coat hypertension, whether your patient is fitting into the hypertension criteria or not. That was white coat hypertension. You can easily detect the efficacy of your drugs, whether they are working on your patient, whether they are having 24-hour blood pressure control or not. Any variability, any variation that can be easily picked up, and also that these variation or these findings are directly correlated with your cardiovascular risk. So with these monitoring system, you can easily monitor your blood pressure and get that under control under the guidance of your physician. Thank you.